Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide and unhide slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to hide and unhide slides in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Hiding slides in PowerPoint is useful when you want to set slides that don't need to be displayed during a presentation, but still want to keep them for future reference or use. Here I have 4 slides in my PowerPoint. Try running it first. Here there is a sequence, starting from slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Well, for example, here I will hide slide 2. Point the cursor to slide 2. Tap right. Tap the slideshow menu. We can see the numbers on slide 2, there is a cross. Let's try running it. Well, here we can see. After slide 1. Go straight to slide 3. Next. For example, here I will hide slide 3. Point the cursor to slide 3. Tap right. Tap the slideshow menu. We can see the number on slide 3 has a cross. Let's try to run it. Well, here we can see. After slide 1. Directly slide 4. The hidden slide will not appear during the presentation, but will remain in the file and can be accessed at any time. This feature is very useful for presentations that require a variety of slides or to keep the presentation focused without confusing the audience with irrelevant information. So that's it. Tutorial how to hide and unhide slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.